Hello, comrades. Today we'll be opening up a Soviet badge that I got a while ago, and it's finally arrived. But yeah, no need to use a sickle today. But yeah, it came in that and then this. Did here it is. It might be fake, but who really cares? I'm just going to put this on my bag. It was like for like $2 maybe, around that. It kind of looks old, but I don't know. Yeah. Let's get this light that I finally have on it. There we go. Very nice. Yeah. Okay, here is the bag, and yeah, I sewed it on and everything to have, you know, it there. Looks nice. It's my personal like school bag and stuff that I carry stuff in. But yeah. See you later, comrades.